Hi, this is Grant of Grant Palmer Photography with some more tips and tricks on photographing at Burning Man and how to deal with your Media Mecca credentials. Hopefully you've already applied for Media Mecca credentials. If you haven't, it's a little bit too late. But if you have, what they give you is they give you a very, very thin laminated card that you need to carry around with you everywhere. It has your number on it so that rangers can identify you, other people can identify you, to make sure that what you're doing is within scope of your project. But this gets very, very flappy in the breeze. Who knew? It could get windy at Burning Man. And the lanyard kind of flows around. So what I like to do is, this one's a Think Tank one, but lots of different manufacturers have them, is just a big media wallet. It sits in there. This goes with me everywhere. I can attach this to my belt because I don't particularly like things around my neck. That's just me. You can hang it around your neck. You can kind of tuck it in your pocket, but you can physically attach it to you. Also in here, as per my previous videos about consent, I can keep my business cards and a notepad and pen in here so that I can keep everything together. I can also keep a permanent marker for my Instax instant film. So when I give those away, I can write on those and make a little Burning Man sign and note the year. So really, really helpful, really, really useful, and never go anywhere without it. Anyway, this was useful to you. Drop me a comment, ask any questions you down there. Hit me up on Instagram, Grant Palmer Photography, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.